we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of PHOENIX Violin 4/4 full-size set, that's include European woods violin. Carefully selected high-quality spruce and maple wood from the Alps. Originating from the Italian Stradivari family's traditional selection of materials and production techniques. Any wood has no knots, no repairs, and no insect holes. The wood tendons are vertical and even. The sound rays are excellent and the pronunciation is highly sensitive. Carefully hand workmanship. The PHOENIX violin is based on the traditional production process of the Italian Stradivarius model. Everything is done by hand, from the production of the headstock, piano board, F-hole, and internal bracing to polishing and painting. The technical error range is strictly controlled within 0.1 mm, so the violin body has smooth lines, a smooth feel, and stable and beautiful pronunciation. Play immediately. When the violin is shipped, the bridge is installed, the strings are adjusted to the standard pitch, and the bow is rubbed with rosin. After receiving the product, it can be used immediately with simple debugging. Let the violin buying and using experience reach its peak. A different playing experience. PHOENIX Violin pays unprecedented attention to the playing feel and sound quality. The bridge height and string distance are professionally adjusted according to the sound transmission characteristics of the wood and the vibration amplitude of the strings, making string pressing more comfortable. Paired with carefully selected strings, the violin's sound quality will be richer and sweeter, and the tone will be richer and softer. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.